Tastes so much like cha time or cocoa. Very good. Hi!
Welcome back to Bubblina's Adventure.
Yay!
We're making bubble tea.
Yay!
Yay!
These are the ingredients that we used to make the bubble tea. Now it's time to boil the tapioca pearls.
Did we miss something?
Remember to stir it well.
What is this, Bubblina?
We have some cold water that we're going to put the tapioca in so that we can stop the cooking process of it. They're all very soft now.
It's yummy.
Now we're going to add in the honey.
Yeah.
That looks so jello-y.
It's now a sticky, soft, delicious boba.
Now we're adding some mango powder and then we're going to add the water to dissolve it.
Mixy mix.
Can I take some stuff out?
No. Stop boba. 1 scoop. 2 scoops. Oh, 1 boba fat. You can eat that.
You could eat that from the table. That's all I could say.
The boba's good. Tastes so much like cha time or cocoa. Very good. Cheers! Time to drink it. What have you learned out of making boba?
It needs to take patience.
We need to be patient because when the boba is cooking, like the tapioca is cooking, it takes a long time for it to cook. So we need to be very patient and make sure that the tapioca is very good. Just like in life, we have to be patient so that we can have the delicious results just like our bubble tea. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share it to all your friends. Bye!